Hey, tech enthusiasts! Ever wondered how 5G is not just changing how we connect, but also how we power our world wirelessly? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of 5G wireless power transfer, or WPT. This is cutting-edge stuff that could make traditional power cables a thing of the past. So how does 5G WPT actually work? At its core, wireless power transfer uses resonant inductive coupling, beamforming and millimeter waves to send power over long distances. And with the advent of 5G, we're talking about significant improvements. Higher power density, lower latency, and an ultra-high frequency spectrum make 5G a game-changer for wireless charging and autonomous systems. Now let's talk benefits. First up, enhanced energy efficiency. Using beamforming and high-frequency power transfer minimizes energy losses, making the whole process more sustainable. Next, we have smart cities and IoT networks. Imagine smart sensors and connected infrastructure that can operate continuously without ever needing a battery replacement. And then there's remote power supply for autonomous systems. Drones, robots, even autonomous vehicles could benefit, reducing downtime for charging, but it doesn't stop there. Think about wireless charging for smart devices. Your smartphone, laptop, even your wearables could charge wirelessly without needing a physical contact point. Industrial and healthcare applications are another exciting area. IoT sensors in factories and medical implants that never need a battery change? Yes, please. And let's not forget smart cities. Traffic sensors and public Wi-Fi hotspots with integrated energy harvesting capabilities. Of course, there are challenges. Power density limitations, safety concerns, and regulatory hurdles are real issues. But ongoing research in electromagnetic wave optimization and wireless communication standards is paving the way for overcoming these obstacles. In conclusion, 5G wireless power transfer is set to revolutionize how we power our devices, infrastructure, and cities. Stay tuned and stay ahead by exploring more about this transformative technology and its impact on our digital world. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.